All right, Moto Talk. Well, the 2023 SX and XC range dropped today from KTM. No major changes to the SXs, just, you know, revalve forks and different graphics or whatever. But for all you guys that are off-road, XC guys, XCF guys, apparently you whined enough and you got a new closed cartridge spring fork from WP. So I hope you're happy. Now you can get that heavier front end you want, and you can pay money to swap spring rates. So should be pretty sick. We're going to see that on the XC range. Meanwhile, the SX range will keep the WP exact air fork, which is fantastic for motocross. You get free spring rate changes and less weight on your front end and all that good stuff. So we now have 3 different WP forks on models coming out in 2024.